Aren't you tired? Running after people? Trying so hard to please them? Now stop living according to their desires. They don't truly understand you. They only use you for their own gain. Remember, only Allah truly wants what's best for you. Everyone else just knows how to take advantage of you. People laugh at your failures. They feel happy when you fall. But Allah, He turns those very failures into your success, because His plans are always the best for you. So just trust yourself, keep praying to Allah, and keep moving forward. These small steps will one day lead to your success. Remember, success doesn't come in a single day. It comes through continuous effort. Live for yourself. Live for your dreams. You will only overcome disappointment when you seek help from Allah. Only Allah is your truest friend and greatest helper.